crap, we're under attack. Turn the music off. Take her down. This is Bravo After 9, we're under attack. There's enemy hostile snowmen inbound on our location. Oh, hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Bobby the Hooligan, and today we're going to be going over, me and my friend, Sheen the Hooligan's airsoft fort. Obviously, this is my Vulcan Tactics TRG. I added some new things to it. There'll be a separate video on that. I'll probably end up editing it, putting it at the end of the video. As right now, I won't be there. So anyhow, let's get into our fort. Let's go to the outside first. Starting off, this used to be an old tree stump right here. So we just built upon it. This is our machine gun area, like I was sitting at. We have these, so when you shoot at them, it makes a popping noise, allowing us to know that we are under attack. And you know the Russians don't like it when we're under attack. Anyhow, we took 2 boogie boards and a dog kennel piece, put on top. Pretty reliable shooting test. Rackleby! Oh! She approves. Next on, we were gonna originally fill this up with snow. My boy Sheen here, he got smart. He put a hole there, you know? So when you're looking at girls, you can like kind of sneak peek when they're walking by. Anyhow, we just put this over here to block it up so we can easily shoot over it. So we took a box, just filled it with snow for a wall. This used to be just like that all over around. But we put a box there. Then we filled that box up with snow and put it there. Let's see if she approves, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the Taliban ISIS crap in here. Let's get some Call of Duty crap in here. He approves. Okay, our wall works pretty well. Considering that it's this high, we have a sled. There. A sled. You have 2 sleds. This is mainly to shoot over, so you can be like sit here and do like tango down. Then we just have this big oversized box. So whoever shot me, your mom's a hoe. With this box, you can stand behind it and shoot around, sneak peek like. I'm Buckethead. Continuing on, of the north wall, we have titties. Next, we have our second wall. I was cleaning her off. She had some snow. Oh, make her run and dry, ladies and gentlemen. That's what the Russians want. Anyhow, we have the stake of love. So if you got any Japanese people, I'm not trying to take anything offensive. They're not like, hey. She's a stake of love. Now we're going to the inside of Fort Wallowini. Name's Fort Wallowini, ladies and gentlemen. Walking in here. Clean that off. You have your crouching pouch. So you can be obviously crouching and pouching. Then you got a lovely Cigarette. I'd rather fuck a bitch from the project. They kick me out of plane off preset. Low pump music.
We don't want any copyrights.
We don't want any copyrights here, ladies and gentlemen. We're just here to make good videos. God bless America. My iPro! Help me, my eye pro fell off. Anyhow, this is the wall of love on the inside. We had this nice rhinestone suspension. It's like,
Rhinestone suspension.
get up here. Real nice. Feel like Captain America while you're up here. Alright, end video. Bobby the Hooligan. And I'll see you dabbing on the field.